Hello and welcome to an Alumni Association School of Medicine of Loma Linda University website tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to create an account and then use that account to access or to connect with alumni of the School of Medicine of Loma Linda University. This is possible if you are a medical student or medical resident of Loma Linda University. So to begin with, let's go to our website, lusmaa.org. lusmaa.org. And when you arrive there, you'll see a website that looks similar to this. And in the top right-hand corner, click on My Account, or if you're on a cell phone, go to access the menu and click on My Account. This will give you access to the login page, which will be something like this. Go ahead and write your email in and hit Submit. Or if you've used one of these three methods above to create your account, click on that to log in. When you hit submit, you'll receive a code which you can use to access and verify yourself to log in. If you previously used an account, you will come to a page that looks similar to this. If you haven't, there's a couple more steps that you'll need to do to register for an account. Go ahead and do that, but please give us 24 to 48 hours to verify your identity. This is sections of our site are a private area, and we want to make sure that you are a student or resident of Loma Linda University before we give you access to it. This is especially true with the features that we'll be discussing today. Once you log in, you'll see an account similar to this, and you can go ahead and update your profile. Updating your profile allows us, as well as alumni, to connect with you easier, as well as find out more information about you. Go ahead and save. And once you've done that, on the top right-hand corner, on the top bar here, you'll see one that says Alumni, Students and Alumni Support. If you're currently a resident, you feel free to access this too. Just be sure to let alumni know when you reach out to them that you're a resident and not a student. We will be creating a resident section soon, but for now, go ahead and use the student section. If you go down to Alumni Support, this website will show you the areas which alumni are willing to support you. There's general support, host programs, resume review, mentorship, and student ambassador. Let's start with general support. They all work the same way, and there's some additional ones on the back end that I can show you. Here, Ask Our Alumni. You can ask alumni what you would like your questions to ask. But let's say you have a question in, say, surgery. You can type the word surgery here and hit enter. And this will show you all the people who are surgeons who are willing to give you advice. To reach out to any of them, click on one of their names. And you can send them a message or send them an email. When you do that, please be sure to reach out to them and let them know that you received their information on our website and that you're accessing that to get general support and help. This will allow them to let them know how you managed to contact them, and so it gives them an ability to call us if they decide they no longer want to be a participant of this program. And it also allows them to realize that you are a student and to verify that you are a student of Loma Linda University. So other areas you can use, if you don't want to do this, you can refresh the search. So refresh the search. We'll go like this and we'll have a blank slate now. We can get rid of this. And this is a blank slate now. In here, there are other areas that you can get help from alumni. You can network with medical professionals. And if you're a student, you can have people who are looking to review resumes, host official alumni events, give advice, and there are other ones here that says provide short-term relief. If you're a missionary, that one's probably not for a student or a resident. The one that you might want to do if you are a student or a resident is give advice about my career. So if you click on that one, these are all people who are willing to give you some advice about your specialty that you're interested in or that you've started in as a resident. And again, you'll just go ahead and click on one of their profile names, and then you can go ahead and message them. If you search within the results, you can also look for a specific specialty within a specific area. So search within the results. We'll want to find someone who will give advice about their specialty who also happens to be in Loma Linda. And all these people here are in Loma Linda, and they'll be willing to give you a specialty. So these are just different ways of you being able to use our website to find different people to connect with. If you want to start again, you click clear all, and you can start again. Again, different areas of different support that you can receive. And as you click on either of these, you'll get back to here, and you can say you want to find someone in New York to host you. If you click New York, here are all the people in New York who are willing to host you. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at lousmaa.org. That's lousmaa.org. Or email us, at lousmaa@lou.edu. That's lousmaa@lou.edu. Thank you for watching, and I hope you are able to utilize this site to help your career out.